live show. I'm Sasa from ITOP Kitchen. Today, I will introduce this one. We'll call it in grinding machine. It's very practical for both home and business to use this machine. And also, it will produce up 5 kilograms at a time. It's very convenient and efficient. And the appearance of this machine is black in color. The default voltages is 220 volt and 50 hertz. Like different countries have different voltages and use different plugs. You can choose different plugs in this machine like EU plus, UL plus, UK plus, and so on. And this machine, when it works, it will reach 2.2 kilowatts. It's a low kilowatt, so don't worry about this. It's easy and safe to use. And the weight of this machine is 8 kilograms. For me, I can easily to take it out. And that's some information about this machine. Now I will show you how to use this machine. Let's try it out. First, we need to open the lid and take the cup, put some materials in the cup. I will put some soybean in here. I put some water in here. Also, I can put some sugar to change my taste. And put it back. Please remember, we need to make sure cover it properly because it can reduce the noise in this machine and also prevent the juicy reflection. And here have speed switch and timer switch, and here have the speed like low speed, high speed. You can press this button to change the speed. Remember, connect the power, and it start working. I can also change the speed like this. When you want it stop, just like this, it will stop. Okay, open the lid. Let me check it out. You can see soybean milk. You can put a lot of different kinds. You can put it. If you have a baby at home, you also can put some radish in and put them to the baby. It's very healthy for the baby. And you can put some soybean in here like this, which means it can make the soy milk. You also can put any different kinds according to your taste. Yeah, and that's it in this machine. If you have any question, please let us know, and you can put it in the comment, or you can click on our product line to know more about our machine.